Hey friends, Chef Lee here. Whether you are hosting a party or just looking for a quick meal, a delicious taco and a freshly made salsa will always bring the joy out of everyone. Let me show you how you can make this amazingly tasty chicken taco at home with just a few simple steps. For the seasoning, we need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon chipotle powder or just chili powder, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of cumin powder, a quarter teaspoon of crushed chili, and 1.5 teaspoon of kosher salt. Mix well. Wash the meat well with cold water first and pat dry with a paper towel. Spread our seasoning evenly. Let's do the same with the flip side. While the chicken is resting, let's build our salsa. Starting off by mincing some onion. Please be sure to watch till the end of the video to see the full ingredient list. And next is the cilantro or coriander. Move on to fresh tomatoes. And guys, in this shot, I realized how dull my knife was when I was cutting the tomatoes. And when you don't have a sharp knife working in the kitchen, you are running the risk of cutting yourself. So keep your knife sharp. We also need 1 fresh lime. Squeeze in that lime juice. Now, if you accidentally squeeze in too much lime juice and it's so sour, just add a little bit more salt. Salt helps flatten out or balance out the sourness. So with that, I just add a little bit of black pepper and oregano. Mix and leave in the fridge to chill. So let's move on to searing some chicken. For searing a chicken or any type of meat, usually a non-stick pan is not a good choice. That's because the non-stick pan doesn't really reach the high temperature that's required for a proper sear. Pour in some chicken stock. Continue to pour the liquid until it's almost at the same level of the chicken. Lid back on. Start simmering it for about 40 minutes on medium heat. When the 40 minutes mark is up, open it and let's take some broth out. Now, to a lot of you, this is already done. The chicken is good. But for me, I like to season it again and try to cook it down a little bit more and let that flavor just to go in that chicken. Let's cook it and simmer it for 10 more minutes. And now you can see that the chicken has completely absorbed all the good flavor from the pan. Loosen up the meat a little bit. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure. It smells amazing. Let's toast our tortillas. And remember the chicken stock we saved, we're just going to gently apply on top. This will enhance the flavor of the tortilla. For the purpose of this video, actually, I sacrificed my wife's non-stick pan because I love her so much. Guys, please use a pan that you're not going to be using, okay, because it's going to get so dark and burn on the bottom. Let's add some cheese. And our chicken. Now some people add some cabbage on the bottom, but for us, we just like it simple. Hey friends, Chef Lee here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more simple and delicious recipes, please consider following my channel. And I'll see you guys next time.